Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So at the first you have to click on the settings, and right now we have to go for personalization. Then pick the lock screen, and as you can see there's the preview of the lock screen. So currently we set up this picture, but we can change it, for example, for this one or for this one. You can also pick your own picture by going for the browse, and here you can choose the folder and the exact picture that you want to set up. Well, I will show you how it looks. So for example, let's pick this one, choose picture, and that's it. So if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.